All right, I just finished cleaning my gun and just wanted to do a little review on it. This is my Smith& Wesson 5.86 357 Magnum, and of course 357 Magnum also shoots 38 special plus P. And originally these are the stock grips I had on there, which I like. Nice, very nice grips, you know. But with something about these, I don't know if it's burgundy or maroon colored, that I found on eBay that just looks good on this black. All right. This is just a fucking beautiful gun. It's a large, bulky, stocky gun. Would never use it for carrying. I live in the city, LA, so I can't really hunt. um, so I use it for a range gun and, you know, a collector's piece. This is a 5.86 Classic Series. Right. Now, you see it's unloaded. And just a very nice trigger. Double action, single action. Pretty smooth. Okay. And I just wanted to show it off real brief. And it's just a beautiful gun. I cleaned it and just wanted to show it off. A 5.86 Combat Magnum. Now, its brother, which is the exact same gun as the 6.86. So the 6.86 is stainless steel. The 5.86 is blued. Okay. Just a beautiful work of art. And you can shoot hot 357s in here all day. I mean, I've put a lot of rounds through here. Never a problem. It's pretty accurate. But my most accurate is my Model 10. It seems to be the most accurate gun I have. But this Model 5.86 is just a lovely work of art. And I had got these. I found these because I heard so much about them. I'm just reading about these. This is some late 1880s 357 Magnum. Early 90s, late 80s. They use these. And it just has great reviews. It's just some devastating ammo. These 145 grain silver tip hollow point 357 Magnum. So this box is like an old box from the late 80s. I just brought it out for this video and took the ammo out of it. And there's these silver tips. All right. Just showing off the granddaddy of them all. Those grips is cold. I think these grips is just perfect for this gun. All right, Chief X, I'm out.